Hi guys. Yes, new hairstyle looking all cute, honey. But anyways, hi guys. Welcome back yet to another video. If you're new here, please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're a returning subscriber, you know what it is. You know what it is. Honey. Welcome back. Okay guys, so I am currently on my way out to do my nails because I think in the last vlog, if you guys did watch, you did see my nails was a bit ashy. They were just not cute, at least fuck. So basically we're just going to have probably it's going to even be a 5-minute vlog, meaning the only thing we'll be doing is doing my nails and making them pretty and just self-love, be that girl. Be that girl, honey. Take yourself out, spoil yourself without anyone's money. Hi guys, welcome back. So I am back from place. Oh my gosh, honey. So I did my nails. I look very cute, I must say. Yeah, look legit the cutest thing alive. They're so cute and simple. For the first time I didn't do Cardi B and stuff nails because I'm always dramatic and going for the long ones with decorations and diamonds and whatever. So I decided to go for something nice and simple and plain and not too much, not too loud, not look at me type of nails. So it was just a nice and simple, you know what I'm saying? Very nice and simple. I am so busy trying to sit properly because, honey, because child, listen, it ain't easy, how child. So, oh, let me show you guys my nails. Look like at the moment. So let's see how long they last. And yes, guys. Oh. I bumped into this while I was in town, at one of the shops, and I was like, I'm gonna buy this and use it today. So I think we must just use it now and add it to the vlog, This. What do you guys think of this? Is this cute? So what? I don't know how this works, but then we'll see. We will definitely see. So yeah. I told you guys, be that girl. So I bought myself this, and then I think what I'm okay. So let me put you guys. Let me place you guys and whatever. Set that thingy. Oh, this is cute, you guys. Yo, whatever. But this is really cute. And I don't have these type of things, guys. I don't have these type of things. Wait, in my, because I've never seen myself as a beauty whatever, so I don't have these type of things. I want a cutie bang, guys. And then I just like get toy this thing. I thought the next one to no. So we're gonna put the jelly more and exfoliate, thank you. So we then get that. So but my problem is, which side do we use? This side is for exfoliating, ne? Yeah. And then this side it's for what? This side, what's this for? And the side is for exfoliating and stuff. What is this for? I don't know, guys. We'll figure it out. Hi, I wanna know. Hi, just the instructions still there. Anyways, so yeah, honey. So we'll be doing facial things, ne? Hi guys, welcome back again. It is literally like late night. I'm all going to sleep now. It is 10 o'clock. We're doing this thing magic because I was busy. Actually, I was busy editing. Ne? I was busy editing the thingy, what's that? The video, because I'm planning to post it tomorrow. And tomorrow's a Sunday, but then I'm just gonna do this. But then I just realized that even though it is Sunday goes sunny, I have to do things. So I'm sleepy. I'm really tired. So even though this is cute, even though goes sunny, it is Sunday, ne guys, I will be doing things. So I was thinking maybe I should extend the vlog. So we're just going to do this real quickly, and then yeah, apparently I have to wet my face. Apparently I have to wet my face. So let me do that real quick. Yeah, just hold on for me. Okay guys, so I just wet my face. Guys, remember, I don't know how this works, so please don't judge me because I haven't ever used this before. So I don't know. Let me just exfoliate real quickly. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I am really tired, but I did say I was going to take this serious. Apparently now I have to do this. Apparently, apparently, I don't know if I'm doing the right thing. And if I'm not doing the right thing, please don't judge me, guys, because honestly, I don't know these things. I'm not a beauty influencer or beauty person, or you already know that literally all my videos I'm natural like that. I don't do these beauty things, makeup and whatever, because I suck in those things. So yeah. Okay, so apparently when you do this, we're not tartan, this whole whatever they call it. So over here I had a pimple and then I popped it. Now I have a black spot. I wonder if it's going to even move or ganjani, because honestly it's not doing me justice at this point. Actually, the other side, it's to exfoliate. I don't know. Oh, it's actually soft. I thought it would be a bit rough, but it's not. Alright, to focus over here because this is where there is mostly the white heads. So this is good to remove it now. Ouch. Guys, can you hear the background now? Guys, can you hear the music? Guys, I don't even know if I'm gonna post this video because I don't feel like I'm doing any hair. Is this even working? Like, is this sebenzing. This is what's supposed to happen. I don't know. You know what? I usually don't use a towel for my face because then I'll be in the shower and let my face naturally dry itself. So by the time I'll be done bathing, my face would already have kind of in a way dry. So I don't really use a towel, but in this case, I'm just gonna use it because wow, I can be actually doing the video or whatsoever at the shower. And besides, I don't even know where to place the phone while I'm in the shower, so it doesn't make sense to me now to, phone air for run. Look how clear my skin is. Lies, guys, I'm telling you. But you know what? This one must go, the spot here must go. So like, yes guys, so that's just about it. This is how I look before I sleep. And then this was not bad. I actually like the side, it kind of rubs. I thought it was kind of hard on the skin, but it's not. This one is it's just way too soft. I don't get the point of this, but okay, it's still there, so we use it nonetheless. Yeah? So I'm just going to wash it again and then go straight to bed because I still see that it's kind of the images. But anyways, these guys, thank you very much for watching, and do stay tuned in for the next video. I don't know, maybe I might extend this to tomorrow, and I don't even have any, I don't know, man. I have plans tomorrow and Monday, but then I think I'm gonna probably extend it, or I'm gonna just stick to posting a 10-minute vlog since this is edited, because the whole nail thingy-majig, it was like literally 5 minutes. So yeah, but anyways guys, thank you very much for watching. Do stay tuned for the next video, and I love you guys. I love you guys for decades, 4 days, 4 weeks, 4 seconds, 4 minutes, forever, period. Goodbye and God bless.